ready for shopping? Bucharest has over a dozen major malls, and we are guiding you inside one of the biggest. AFI Cotroceni. Where is it? When is it open? How to get there? Keep watching to find all about it. As we said, AFI Cotroceni Mall is the largest shopping mall in Romania, located in the western part of Bucharest between the city center and the residential districts of Militari and Drumul Taberei. It has approximately 90,000 square meters of gross leasable area, probably making it the largest shopping mall in the country. The mall offers a wide range of shopping options, with over 350 shops from leading local and international brands. You can check a link to an interactive map with all the shops in the description tab. The mall is easily accessible by public transport, including the metro and trams. Trams number 1, 11, and 35 can take you to the mall, or you can take the metro to Politehnica station. It took us almost 30 minutes to reach it by bus from the city center in the rush hour. In addition to shopping, AFI Cotroceni Mall provides various entertainment options. It features an indoor ice rink, a cinema complex, a bowling rink, pool tables, arcade games, laser tag, karting, and a large children's playground. We suppose you already saw the huge dome of the great IMAX venue at the start of our video. AFI Cotroceni Mall is open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. on most days, but there might be some extended hours on weekends. Overall, AFI Cotroceni Mall offers a comprehensive shopping and entertainment experience in Bucharest, making it a popular destination for locals and visitors alike. We have more videos about Bucharest and Romania with practical info about what to visit in the city. You can find all the links in the description tab. For your convenience, we have created a relevant playlist. Have you been there? Share your impressions in the comments. We hope you will find this video useful. It takes detailed planning and a long time to shoot, edit, and create this content. If our videos add value to your travels, show some love by liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and staying tuned for more. Your support helps us grow Bestravelvideo and ensures we keep bringing you top-notch content. For more travel destinations with details and photos, go to our dedicated travel page, Bestravelvideo.com. Before you leave, check out this captivating video.